Welcome! Today I am with Motorola Moto G100 from the European distribution, and we are going to check if this device comes with a factory installed screen protection. So just take a look on the display. Take a look right here for the cameras or for the edges at the top and the bottom. Unfortunately, there is no any protection as default. So if you want to protect your phone, definitely put something here, any kind of the protection. I can recommend you to get the tempered glass because it definitely improves protection between scratches, and also in some cases versus the brakes when you just hit your phone on the ground. The simple tempered glass for like $2 will improve protection and toughness of your display. So to assume this phone, Motorola Moto G100 from the European distribution, doesn't come with any kind of the screen protection as a default. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.